All right, so we're going to be modeling this fluted arch. This looks really pretty in a product photography prop setting. So let me show you how to model this really simply. So let's turn this off and let's press 7 for top view. And we're going to start off using a plane. Press Shift A, add a mesh plane, tab into edit mode, and press SX and scale it by 0.6. Now we're going to bevel these vertices. So press Ctrl B and then V to bevel vertices and pull it all the way there. There's some overlapping vertices. So press M and merge by distance. All right, we remove those two vertices that were overlapping. All right, so now we're going to inset this to create those rings. So press I to inset and inset it by 0.099. And that's what I did before. So that's how I know that figure. All right, and we're going to press Shift R to repeat that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. All right, next, we're going to create the actual rings that we really need. None of these here, but rather in between this, we're going to press Ctrl R, left click, right click. Let's do the same thing, skip one and do it again here. Ctrl R, left click, right click. Skip one, Ctrl R, left click, right click. And let's do the same thing until we reach the outer edge here. All right. So as mentioned, these are the rings that we want. So with this selected, hold Shift and Alt and skip one, select this one, and let's come all the way back down and to select, skip one, select all that we want. These are what we want. So we want to get rid of the rest. So simply press Ctrl I to invert the selection, press X and delete those vertices. Tab out of edit mode, and now we have the rings that we really want. Ctrl S to save. All right. We have to convert this now to a curve to add some thickness. So right click, convert to curve, and now we're able to go to the data properties and scroll all the way down to bevel and click on round, and this depth, change the depth. I'm holding Shift for finer control, and I think 0.045. That's good. No, let me see a little more. 0.0. I think I did 0.054 before. Yeah. All right, and change the resolution to 12. We want some nice resolution. Very good. Now we could right click and shade smooth. Where is it? Shade smooth. We want to convert this back to a mesh. So simply right click and convert to mesh. Now tab into edit mode, and we just want this, was it 2/3 of it? So we want to get rid of the rest here. So press Alt Z to go into X-ray and box select. So box select these here. If we didn't get all, just scroll in, right, and hold Shift and just box select until we get all. All right, and now we can press X and delete these vertices. All right, so press A to select everything, and let's move it up on the Y axis. So GY, and let's move it up about there. And we're actually going to snap these bottom edges here to the 3D cursor. All right, so that is enabled. Transform pivot point is set to 3D cursor. So we're going to press SY0, enter. All right. And there we have it. So tab out of edit mode, Alt Z to come out of X-ray, Control S to save. And we can actually rotate this back. So RX90, rotate it up. Yes. And there we have our fluted arch ready to go in our prop setting. All right. So that's how to create this in Blender 5. So I'll see you in the next one.